In today's video, I'll show you how to set up a mod manager and use mods in Marvel Spider-Man 2. Check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this Venom as suit slot. This gonna add Venom slot. Check my video description for this mod manager download link. Once you downloaded the mod manager, you need to download this .NET 7.0 is required to run the mod manager properly. Check my video description for that as well. Once you download at the runtime, just double click and install this runtime installer. Once the installation done, right click on this overstrike and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. No stuff here, and right click on the blank area and select new and select folder. Name this folder mod manager and press enter. Open the mod manager. Drag and drop all the files inside this mod manager. Open overstrike.exe. Select add game and in profile name, whatever name you can type. Select browse option and navigate to the game folder. Select the game folder and select folder option and select create. Profile as created. Select the profile and select create profiles option. Now select this plus icon and go to downloads and navigate to the mod you downloaded. In my case, I downloaded Panama suit slot. Select the zip mod and select open. Once the mod added, select the install mods option and it will successfully installed. So whatever mod you added, you need to select the install mods to make the mod work properly. And if you want to disable this mod, just uncheck and select install mods and it's going to disable the mod. We have successfully installed the Venom suit slot mod. Now start the game. I will show you guys in game. Once you are in game, press tab key and open this menu. Go to shoots and scroll down. You can able to see Venom suit. Just select to equip and then as you can see the mod is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.